Matching. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. Where is ball? C for cat. Mew mew cat. Now match the dog. D for dog. Now E for elephant. Where is elephant? F for fish. Where is fish? Match the fish. G for goat. Where is goat? Match the goat. H for hen. Where is hen? Hen, hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jug. Match the jug. K for kite. Match the kite. L for lion. Match the lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. Match the orange. O for orange. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Match the rabbit. S for sun. Match the sun with sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. And the last one is zebra. Match the zebra.